Magko-coffee tayo guys. Timpla ako ng kape. Kita niyo ba ako guys? Dito ako. Titimpla ako ng kape. Bakit ako nag-desisyon na magtimpla ng kape? Eh, simple lang. Gusto kong uminom ng kape. Ganyan lang guys. Timpla tayo ng kape. O, di ba? Gaganyan ko lang yan guys. Gaganyan. Tapos iikot din ako dito. Tapos gaganyan. Ayan guys. Kasi, ayan, magtitimpla nga ng kape. Eh kasi nga, mayroon po akong tinatagong. Hi! Ang dilim, no? Mayroon ako. Pero hindi ko papakita yung pangalan. Baka sundin mo eh. Ha, ha. Gusto ko i-on yung light. Ayoko. Eh, sayang yung kurente. Oh, sorry po. Sayang nga yung ano eh, sayang nga yung babayad ko sa water ko no na iniwanan ng 1 day pero nabot naman ngayon. Umabot siya ng 2,800 na tubig ko. 1 day, 1 night pala, sorry. 1 night iniwanan ng katulong ko yung tubig kaya magbabayad ako ng 2,800. Supposed to be 300 to 400 lang yung tubig ko. Kaya siguro iwas na iwas sila sa akin. So wala pa dito yung aking the only money. Yeah. Kain tayo guys.
What sets them apart is the coding, software algorithms that allow these vehicles to travel autonomously on the track.
Tandaan lang to guys. Na oras na magnakaw ka. Hindi ka talaga aasenso. Kape tayo. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng ano ko. Ang aking galing sa puso. Yum! Ang kape ko, yum! Pait. Coffee and stick lang yan guys. Kasi mas gusto ko yung timpla ng coffee and stick kaysa sa bibili ako ng 3-in-1 coffee. Ayoko po ng maraming sugar. Kasi yung isang 3-in-1 na kape, 2 timpla ko yun.
Enough said, in 156 running of Belmont Stakes in New York, Jordan took the third leg of the Triple Crown, holding off a late charge on the horses in 3-race favorite. Very much the underdog that Jordan entered the race with 17 to 1 So the cricket world is turning its focus towards what is not always a great occasion in the sport, a match between the most bitter of rivals.
Ang sarap.
India and Pakistan. Here sports epic snap as that. The India-Pakistan cricket rivalry is as storied as it gets.
Ito, gagawin ko na naman, mag-ano ako yung, alam mo yung, magbo-voice over. Dalawa lang.
Now, 180 years later, international cricket returns to America with India versus Pakistan taking place at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium in New York. The temporary stadium, which was built in under 4 months, is hosting a total of 8 matches and has an approximate capacity of 34,000 seats. The staging of the matches has been no easy feat, with the outfield turf being brought in from Florida. The grass provided by the same company that provides the turf for Lionel Messi's Inter Miami Stadium in Major League Soccer and for New York's Major League Baseball teams, the Yankees and the Mets. The pitches travel in 20 trucks from South Florida over a distance of 2,000 kilometers and across 6 different states. And the pitch is square, where bowlers and batters contest the game, was overseen by the groundspeople from the Adelaide Oval in Australia. With the tournament now underway, concerns have arisen over the unpredictable nature of these drop-in services after the first fixtures played at the New York venue.
You know what to expect from the conditions, so you got to prepare yourself in a way that you know what type of conditions are there in front of you all.
In the end, we want to make sure that we get our game right, look at the conditions and what is required on the conditions.
This is when Pakistan has the most stages, and India will be fully aware of that. They're not going to take things lightly at all, and they'll be aware of how important that game is.
Well, the latest installment of the India-Pakistan rivalry, which Pakistan's legendary former skipper Shahid Afridi, who is
Salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Like our Super Bowl, starts a little bit on the early side here in New York.